Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today in my kitchen I am preparing a very famous Maharashtrian snack which is Kothimbir Vadi. These are prepared with gram flour and lots of coriander leaves with it, which makes it very healthy to consume. You can serve it as a side dish or as an evening snack. Further, I have given a very nice twist to these vadis to make it more flavorful, so do watch the video till the end. Before starting with the recipe, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel if you are new to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new recipes. Firstly, we have 1 cup of fresh coriander. You need to wash the coriander nicely and then finely chop it. Into this, we'll add 1 cup of gram flour or besan. I am also using half a cup of chopped onions. Although onions are not added traditionally in this Maharashtrian snack, but I am adding it to add to the crispiness and it gives nice flavor and taste to our vadis. Half a teaspoon each of ginger and garlic. We will also add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds or til. You can also roast these seeds and then add it. Salt as per taste. Half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira. Half a teaspoon haldi. And 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. So these were all the spices which we have added here. However, you can also add coriander powder or any other spice as per your taste. Combine everything nicely. Then we'll gradually add water in it. We'll add little more water. I've added approximately half a cup of water in it. Depending upon the requirement, we'll add water. Here goes little more water. I have already added 3/4 cup of water in it. You can see this is like a thick batter which we have prepared using gram flour, coriander and all the spices. So once this is ready, we will transfer it in another pan. We need to steam this batter, so we will grease the base and then we will transfer it. You can even use a greased tray or thali. We'll spread the batter. We'll now tap it to level it up. We'll carefully place it in steamer. I have this idli cooker with me, so I'll be steaming the batter in it. Then we need to steam it at least for 10 minutes. Here comes the twist which I'll be giving to these vadis. So what we'll do is we'll prepare a marinade into which we'll marinate our steamed vadis. This is a very simple marinade. For this we'll take half a cup of curd. To this we'll add 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour. And we'll add 1 teaspoon of green chutney. And that's it. We'll combine all these things together. So here is our marinade ready. Let's wait for our steamed vadis to get ready. After steaming, we'll remove the base from the cooker and we'll allow the vadi material to cool down completely. After cooling, we'll loosen out the edges of these vadis and we'll cut it into desired shape. Once the pieces are cut, then we'll transfer it on a plate. So our vadis are ready. One can even cut it into further small pieces. Now it's time to marinate these vadis. So I will just top it with our prepared marinade. This will give a very nice flavor to these vadis. However, this is a completely optional step. If you want to skip it, you can directly shallow fry it or pan fry these vadis after steaming. So just coat it nicely from all the sides. Now we'll just keep these vadis in this marinated mixture for 10 minutes. After that, we'll pan fry it. Afterwards, we'll take a pan and we'll just grease it with very little oil. Now we'll pan fry our vadis. Drizzle little oil. We'll cook these vadis on medium flame. Once these are cooked from the one side, we'll flip it over. You can see what lovely color we have got on these vadis. So basically we need to keep on flipping these vadis so that it is cooked from all the sides. This way we are using very little oil to cook these vadis. Here you can see our vadis are almost ready. We are flipping the sides so that it is cooked completely from all the sides. Rather than deep frying, this is a much better way to cook these vadis. Although it takes little extra time and effort to cook it this way, but it is absolutely worth it. You can serve this with tomato ketchup and green chutney. So this is the non-fried version of Kothimbir Wadi, a very famous snack recipe from Maharashtra. You can serve it as an evening snack or even you can pack it for your kids' lunchbox. So friends, do try making this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you want to know the detailed written recipe, then check out the link of my blog which I shared in the description box below. Until the next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.